Let's talk about troubleshooting of getting frustrated and confused at the answers not coming through. Please be patient with yourself. I know people who have picked this up in minutes, and for me, it took a couple years. And for some people I know, they keep deciding they kind of want to do it and not do it. And be patient with yourself. Be so patient with yourself. All right. So make sure that you're calibrated, make sure you're hydrated, that you feel calm and balanced, that you feel like you deserve answers. So give yourself permission that you deserve, and it is your birthright to receive the answers you need to live the life that you're meant to live, the life that God wants you to live. And give yourself permission to have that. All right. If you have done that and you still find yourself getting frustrated, take a break. Come back at a later time and try again. Like I said in some previous videos, you need to work those muscles, right? You need to build up that strength. And so if you get some accurate answers and some inaccurate answers or responses, then it could just mean that you need a break, that you need to go recalibrate, or you need to take a break for, an hour or two and then come back. All right. I would advise not to give it more than a day or two or a week break, because then you're validating to your subconscious that you really don't care about the information that you're being given, especially if you don't follow through with what has been given. So for example, if I muscle test and I muscle test that I think I need 64 ounces of water a day. And if I muscle test, if I need 64 ounces of water a day and I get yes, and then I don't drink 64 ounces of water a day, then my subconscious might not feel comfortable giving me more answers. Or if I just go off and don't even muscle test at all for the rest of the time, the subconscious is like, okay, well, do they really want them? Like, they're not really working at building this relationship. So, what do I do? Right. So be patient with yourself. All right. We're not meant to run faster than we are able. And so that's why I would recommend just doing a few simple muscle testing questions a day, praying for that strength, get an appointment with an emotion code or body code practitioner to really help support you and find out maybe why you're not getting proper answers, or you're not really being able to connect with yourself, or whatever that might be, because there might just be some personal bias. There might just be some triggers to what you're asking. There might be some self-worth issues that need to be uprooted. And in those cases, you may find yourself getting frustrated because the answers that you may get would cause more triggers to come up. Does that make sense? So hopefully this is helpful for you. The plain thing would be that God really can help us, and he wants us to learn skills that will help us become closer to him, that will help us to understand ourselves better and to meet our needs, because ultimately he absolutely wants to meet our needs, and he wants us to meet our needs, and he's given us these magnificent tools to do so. So definitely include God in your journey through prayer. Pray for your success. Just do it. Just pray for your success and practice and watch God's guiding hand and his little whispers of inspiration come to help you improve, and it will happen. So thanks so much for watching. If you still feel like you've done all these troubleshooting videos and you still need a little bit more help, then definitely feel free to set up an appointment with an emotion code or body code practitioner and get some of these blocks just completely cleared up. Thank you so much for watching.